the Baina Water Sports Association proudly launched its official website today. Alongside the groundbreaking Mogache Baina Responsible and Sustainable Tourism Campaign, the event took place at the mini hall of Ravindra Bhavan, Baina.
And I'm the founder trustee of an NGO called Coastal Impact, and I also run my own scuba diving company where I teach diving, recreational diving. So Mr. Carlos Ferreira, the ex-MLA of Vasco, came up with this idea of doing a beach cleanup at Vasco, and we thought we should take it much further by trying to make Baina into a model beach. Because right now there's not much of tourist activities which are happening in Baina, so it's a good place to start before everything already starts and then it becomes difficult to control it.
As I mean, Baina Sports website open kota, inauguration kota. Here जाऊन असा Baina Water Sports organization. As he app. हे आयज 100% एक सारखे इम्पॉर्टंट गोष्ट कित्याक जाणा जेन्ना कोणूय तर यूट्यूबार गेलो ओ खूंय गुगलाचेर गेलो यू विल गेट ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द बायना बीच वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स सो हेजेर म्हणटा तें सगल्यांक बऱ्याक पडटा आनी आयज चोवपाक गेल्यार न्हू हें बायना आयलँड जें आहा तें सारकें पोटेन्शियल हे लोकांक लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज थिंगा करपाक मेळटा आनी येवपाची म्हणटा ती सारकी गरज जाली कित्याक लागून कित्याक हिंगा जाय दुसरे भाशेन हें जाता सो हें बिजनेस प्रमोट करपा लागून हें लोकांक इजी करपा लागून जो कोण कस्टमर येता कोणाय स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीन हिंगा तर बाय हें घेवपा जावं फायदो काडपा जावं म्हणजे कस्टमर येता तांकां हें सारकें गरजेचें बिकॉज ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन वील बी देर ऑन अ वेबसायट ह्या वेबसायटीचेर जेन्ना मेळलें काय ना तेन्ना जायते भशेन वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स स्टॉक मुखार व्हरपाक जाता.
So this was a fabulous idea, and it's amazing that it's coming from somebody who's retired from the government, you know. So and his heart is in Vasco, so that's what made it special. So today's meeting is just to introduce this project and try and get everybody on board. He's invited quite a few people today from the government and from the private sector as well. And the idea is to talk about why this needs to be done in Goa. For example, just opposite Baina, you've got some islands which are called Grand Island and St. George Island, and there's a lot of marine life there, including corals, which not many people know. So the idea is to highlight this and also to promote responsible tourism, which has been tried for varying degrees, but it did not happen. So now the focus is that to train all the people in Baina so that it becomes a model beach which can be replicated all over Goa. So that is the reason why we are here today.
Tanya Devaya, I'm also a co-founder at Terra Conscious. We believe that without all stakeholders being involved in any kind of new ideas, those ideas cannot see the light of day. And in Goa, we feel that local communities are very much involved in shaping the tourism industry and also in all sorts of conservation work that is done in this state. So that is why we are here to support the Baina Water Sports Association today to try and create a model for Baina Beach which will be responsible and also eco-friendly and creating less impact on marine wildlife that we know exists in Baina.
आम्ही जे सगळे स्टेक होल्डर आहात बेसिकली बोगमाळो जावं किंवा हांगासर बायना बीच जावं दोन्ही असे सुंदर असे बीच ह्या मार्मुगांव तालुक्यांत आसात तर ह्या दोन्ही बिचाचे सगळे स्टेक होल्डर म्हटल्यार त्या हेचेर जोडटा मे बी वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स आसूं न्ही किंवा इतर स्टेक होल्डर्स जे आसात टॅक्सी आसूं न्ही टुरिजम कशाय तरेन जे ह्या बिचा निमित्तान तेंचो बिजनस जाता तांकां ते सगळे आयज वांगडा येवन हो कार्यक्रम घडोवन हाडटात ताच्या भितर ओशन डे निमित्तान हांगाचे ते वेगळे वेगळे अंडर वॉटर स्पेसीस आसता किंवा बिचाचेर केन्ना केन्ना क्लिनस ड्रायव्ह घेवपाक पडटा असे वेगवेगळे इनिशिएटीव ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान घेवपाचो असो विचार आसा आनी घेत आयिल्ले आसा सो ह्याच निमित्तान आमी सगळे मेळिल्ले आसा असिस्टंट डायरेक्टर टुरिजम हांगासर धीरज वागळे तेय आसा म्हणजे नेवलांतल्यान सगळे जे स्टेक होल्डर आहा आनी सगळे ह्या ओशना निमित्तान किंवा बायना बोगमाळो अशे वेगवेगळ्या तरेन जे लागतात ते सगळे जण हांगासर बशिल्ले आसा सगळे एकजुटेन ह्या दोन्ही बिचा खातीर बेसिकली ओशना खातीर काम करतले आनी तेचेरूच म्हटल्यार मायनींग जेन्ना गोंयांत मातशें कमी जालें तेन्ना टुरिजमाचेर आमी सगळे जाण डिपेंडंट आसा आनी टुरिजम करता आसतना हे दोनी बिचीस जे आमकां मार्मुगांव तालुका लागता तेंची आमी जशें तेचेर टुरिजम डिपेंडंट आहा ती सेव करपाची गरज आसा. एक तरेन हे सगळे इनिशिएटीव घेवपाक आमी सगळे एकजुटीन आयज जमिल्ले आसा आनी फुडें हेचेर वांगडा रावन आमी काम करतले.
My name is Pooja Mitra. I am the co-founder and of Terra Conscious. We are a conservation social enterprise based in North Goa at the moment, but we work across Goa. We are primarily looking at how can we help boat operators who conduct marine wildlife watching activities like dolphin watching. How can we do it more responsibly so that the animal is also not stressed and the tourists can also have a knowledge-based experience where they can learn about the species and overall improve the revenue and the livelihood of the local people who are dependent on this ecosystem and this species for their revenue. So we are here at the meeting today. We're very happy that Baina Water Sports Association has initiated this so that we can actually support them with the knowledge and how can this training be done and how can we actually get guidelines in place. We also run a standing network in the state in collaboration with Dishti Marine and Goa Forest Department that deals with the wildlife that comes up washed or injured on the beach, marine life. And we have a rise in these cases across Goa. So there's multiple stressors on the ocean ecosystem and tourism has to evolve to being responsible and sustainable. And we are hoping that that's what we can help to do with the Baina Association for Marine and Coast. I'd like my colleague also to share her inputs on why community-led engagement is important.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.